oh my god, why does this feel so weird? Like, it feels like I haven't filmed, well, I haven't filmed for a really long time, but now I just feel really like shy. Just feel like just really weird at the minute. But welcome back to another video. Obviously I have had, I don't even know, when was the last time I did a video before Christmas? Day before Christmas Eve, I think it was. And I did plan to not film for like a good week and just not do anything. And then it just went on a little bit longer because the kids being off, really had to wait until they went back to school before I did anything, because obviously I couldn't really focus on anything YouTube, and I didn't really want to. I wanted to be like in the moment, all of that. So yeah, I'm back, going to be cranking the videos out. Really excited and positive about the year 2023. I hope everybody had a really nice Christmas as well, which just feels like it was forever ago. You spend all that time putting your decorations up and buying the presents and everything, and then it's just over in a flash. I thought in today's video I would just share, it's like a little montage of all the things that I've been doing over the last week, basically. Just like pottering around the house, getting my decorations down, trying to get a little bit more organised. I loved having my decorations up so much, but taking them down this year for some reason just took forever. It looked like I just moved in. I felt like there was boxes everywhere. I found it really overwhelming. The house was just such a mess, like before the kids went back to school and everything. You just like, as soon as the kids went back to school, I just had to clean everything and just get everything out of the way. So I'm really like feeling very much like most people in that declutter, get rid of stuff. I've given clothes to charity and looking at new storage, and I have very good intentions of organising everything in the house, and I say it all the time, and whether I'll actually get around to it or not, or whether it'll just stay neat for a while and then go back to being a mess, but I definitely want to just reevaluate a lot of the storage in my house. I just want to gradually start organising through everything like that in my life, just to make me feel a little bit less overwhelmed, because even not doing things over Christmas, like, what is it with us that we always get that feeling guilty if you're not doing anything? Even sitting down for half an hour, was it like a week ago, I think Cinderella was on the telly, and I sat and watched it for like half an hour and then thought, get up, like what are you doing? Like I'm not allowed to sit and watch a film. It's that hot, there's that guilt, isn't it, of feeling like, and I wish that wasn't something that I felt all the time. If I'm not busy, if I'm not productive, then yeah, I'm doing something I shouldn't be doing. So I want to get a little bit more organised with everything. I would also really love it if any YouTube video ideas are shared in the comments down below, because I find this time of year, as lovely as it is to be like all organised and getting all like fresh in January, because I enjoy Christmas so much and I enjoy creating Christmas content so much. Like, I always have loads of ideas, I'm always really excited. As soon as that's all gone, I get a little bit sad, and I get a little bit sad with YouTube, because then I'm like, oh, you know, I just feel a little bit like I lack inspiration, because I'm not going to be doing videos about like workouts and things like that, which is maybe like a lot of the focus, obviously getting fit and everything after Christmas. But yeah, any video ideas? I know there's certain ones that I keep saying that I'll film, like a makeup routine, which I will include in a video soon actually. The only reason I just am a little bit hesitant to do anything like that is because I genuinely don't really know how to do makeup. So it really amazes me when people are like, oh, I like your eye makeup and things, because I just think I just throw everything on my face and hope for the best. But I will show what I do, what products I use and all that sort of thing, but I'm definitely no makeup artist. Like, when you see these tutorials and people are like, you know, doing it just brilliantly and doing it all that, but it won't be like that. It just really won't be. But I will include that in a video. But yeah, any video ideas, I would love suggestions down below. Like, I really do appreciate any input. But yeah, that is a goal for this year, just to be a little bit more organised. I'm really excited just to hopefully continue to grow my channel and everything. Taking the boys on a holiday this year, which I'm really excited to be able to do, because this is like something that I've achieved on my own, like to take the boys away. I'm on an aeroplane for the first time by myself, like, and everything. It's just like, that's a big deal. It's a big like milestone in my journey since being a single mum, I suppose. So there's a lot of exciting things coming up this year. I feel very, very positive. So yeah, today's video is like just a montage of all the little bits that I've been doing. A little bit of motivation, getting organised, decluttering, organising the house, all that sort of thing. So yeah, here it is. So getting all the decorations down, like I say, was a real task. It took me so much longer than I thought it was going to take me. I did get some new storage. I got some new storage boxes from Argos, and I got these really handy like wreath storage from Home Bargains, and also this bauble storage that was also from Home Bargains as well, which just keeps everything a little bit neater. But yeah, it just took me forever, and obviously being a single person, getting stuff up in the loft on my own is definitely would have been comical for anybody to watch. That's all I'll say. It is a great tip to wrap your fairy lights around something like a coat hanger just to keep them from getting tangled up. I also sometimes use a old wrapping paper tube just to wrap them around that. This massive tree bag, I think this was from Home Bargains last year as well. I find this so handy because it just holds so much. Like obviously I put the tree in it, but I'll normally put like the fairy lights for the tree in there, and maybe like a garland as well. But yeah, that typical thing of getting rid of the tree and all putting the furniture back and just realising how bare your house feels. It's definitely taken a little bit of getting used to. Then I'm just clearing everything out of the boys' rooms, so just getting all the decorations packed away, putting it in specific storage boxes for their rooms for next year. For this year, and yeah, changing their Christmas bed covers to something less festive, which they were a little bit sad about, but it's nice to have the floor space back now that all the decorations are gone, even if it has made them a little bit sad to have the tree not there anymore. Also, after Christmas, it's always a good time to just clear out the fridge, give everything a clean in there, because it's always a little bit chaotic in the fridge for me at Christmas. There's always like half open cheeses and all sorts everywhere. So I did a nice big Tesco shop and restocked everything, and yeah, just had it all organised, ready for the boys to be back at school as well, like all of their snacks and cutting up fruit and things like that, just to make sure that we are organised for the mornings for school. I tend to put all of their snacky things and like fruit and things on the lower levels just so that they can reach it. Basically, it's easy for them to grab a piece of fruit or little snack when they want one. So that's just where generally I'll put all of their things all in one place. And because I'd been going through my wardrobe, the boys' wardrobes, I decided to get some more storage. So I bought this like shoe rack off Amazon. I will link it down below. That was just going to fit nicely in my wardrobe, that I could just put some clothes and things on. So I had a little bit of a sort out, organised all my shoes because they were just all over the place. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that because it just, like I say, it just fits nicely. And then I just had a little bit of a rejig just to try and make the wardrobe space work for me a little bit better. So I put all of my bags up on the top shelf, then like my jeans on the bottom shelf that was already built in, and then all my shoes, and then some other items of clothing that I can just keep on the new shelves that I got, like I say, from Amazon.
So I was pleased with that. It just felt so much better, like I knew what I'd got. I also went through all the boys' wardrobes the same and just made sure that we were just keeping things that fitted them, getting rid of any that didn't, giving them to charity, putting all of their clothes in different sections. I'm just glad to know that everything that's in their drawers and everything is things that they're going to wear over the next however many months. It just feels so much more organised. I'm also just wiping down all surfaces, going through the house to put all of my old homeware back, finding new little homes for things, which I always think is nice to do after Christmas, just like to move things around the house a bit. But it was just a case of really just giving it a deep clean, freshen it up a bit, and getting to the bottom of the wash basket as well, which just really got neglected over the Christmas period. And I did get some backpack bags as well to just put all of the Christmas bedding, Christmas cushions and everything all away up in the loft and obviously keep them compacted. But yeah, that's pretty much all the little bits that I've been doing in, like I say, a montage of organisation. I really hope that you enjoyed this little video, and I'm so glad to be back making regular videos, and I am very much looking forward to seeing you again for my next one. Take care everyone. Bye.